major chunk of what I studied for JEE was in the 5 6 months right before I wrote the exam. Like school classes सुबह होते थे Google Meet पे, and then again Zoom पे tuition classes. It was like that. I would give the coaching center credit, but then more than that, I would entirely say YouTube. YouTube was like the go-to place for me.
लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द 6 months जो एक्चुअली इम्पोर्टेंट था। तो तुम उस
Yeah.
टाइम पे डेली रूटीन कैसा चलता था कि
Wake up at 7. I used to study till 9:30, have breakfast, and then come back again. 10 say I used to study till 12:30, bath, come back again, study till 2:30, study. It was like that. So those 6 months were very intense. That was that जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा use like thought process वगैरह करना होता है कि हाँ ऐसे होता था ऐसे. That and all used to not go into my head. So I
यू आर गुड इन रेक्टिफिकेशन बेसिकली आई
yeah,
थिंक,
I was
राइट?
good at rectification. Yeah.
यू सेड कि जो 6 months था बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस पीरियड था। सो व्हाट keeps you motivated to maintain that intensity उस टाइम पे? So welcome Amrita, welcome to the podcast and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
So
Thank you for inviting.
yeah, sure, thank you for coming. So start करते तुम्हारे इंट्रोडक्शन से, अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दो।
Okay, so my name is Amrita. I'm native of Kerala, but then I've spent almost half of my life living in Abu Dhabi, UAE. And right now I study in NIT Trichy, third year EC, and EC means Electronics and Communication Engineering. And I I'm like, okay. So there are different domains into what you go for during third year season, like third year intern season. So I'm more into the analytics domain rather than software and core. I'm into analytics domain, and living in UAE, I've been exposed to a bunch of cultures and traditions. It's not like genuinely India में क्या होता है कि अब जहाँ पे रहते हो वहाँ पे उसका ही tradition you follow genuinely, but then in UAE it's like a bunch of other cultures and traditions. They all come together. So I've been exposed to a lot of that as well. Then, yeah, that's that.
That's that. Okay, nice, cool introduction. UAE में थे, UAE में थे for 3 years, right? Cool, 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 cool. Okay, तो start करते हैं थोड़ा सा अभी। Okay, तो थोड़ा सा agenda set करते हैं। You are from the
Sure.
one of the best college of country, of course, and
Yeah.
top NIT, of course. So first of all, how is that feeling? कि कैसा लग रहा है top NIT में पढ़कर?
I mean, I would say it's okay. NITT is like one of the top 10 engineering colleges in India. Having that reputation, it's a pretty amazing college. I wouldn't say okay. लोगों का ये होता है कि top 10 engineering colleges में बहुत पढ़ाई पढ़ाई वगैरह होगा. I mean, it is there. It's not like it's not at all there. It is there obviously, but उसके साथ साथ there's a like entirely big scope of enjoyment and fests तो बहुत सारे होते हैं इस सेम में ही दो तीन है नेक्स्ट सेम भी दो तीन है वैसे है so it's a lot of enjoyment as well there are a lot of clubs and teams to join so enjoyment and studies go hand in hand that's one thing but it depends on the student who how the student manages to balance it all and given the reputation of college it stands like to its like it is very how do I say like if it has a reputation it maintains that reputation as it is and the professors are equally like they're amazing and I mean some profs have their own क्या बोलते हैं थोड़ा उनका a bit of like bad side or whatever but then it's the teachings and the way they how do I say the way they give knowledge to the students it's actually pretty amazing it's pretty cool.
ऑफ कोर्स, ऑफ कोर्स। ओके, तो ओके, जो पॉडकास्ट का जो एजेंडा है तुम्हारा यही है कि स्टार्टिंग में हम बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा जेई प्रिपरेशन के बारे में, क्योंकि यू आर
Sure.
फ्रॉम द गुड कॉलेज, सो
Yeah.
यू हैव a lot of knowledge for JEE and all. So
Yeah.
स्टार्ट करेंगे वहाँ से थोड़ा सा, जो भी JEE एस्पिरेंट्स उनको देखेंगे तो उनको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होगा, रिलेटेबिलिटी
Sure.
दिखेगा कि किस तरीके से स्टोरी चला है, एंड
Yeah.
देन वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द कॉलेज पार्ट की द ग्राउंड रियलिटी ऑफ NIT 3G. सो
Okay.
स्टार्टिंग विद योर जेई प्रिपरेशन, तो थोड़ा सा समराइज कर दो कि जर्नी कैसा था, 11 12 कैसे थे?
Yeah, sure. So जब मेरा 11th शुरू हुआ था तब कोविड शुरू हुआ था So it was like the entire 11th and 12th was in COVID time itself. और फिर बेसिक 10th के बोर्ड से शुरुआत हुआ कोविड, हाँ. It was like that. And then 11th and 12th I joined for an online coaching center. And it was completely online. Like we had like school classes सुबह होते थे Google Meet पे, and then again Zoom पे tuition classes. It was like that. So, and they gave material as well, they gave books and all, so I studied from that. But then I would say a major chunk of what I studied for JE was in the 5 6 months right before I wrote the exam. So it was like our exam was in June, July. So I started around that year beginning. 2022 beginning itself, I started like actually putting into a lot, like putting a lot of efforts into it. Like I used to sit in the room and I used to be in the room entirely unless I had to go to eat or like bath and stuff and stuff. That's it. Other than that, I used to stay inside the room itself and I used to study. But then I would give the coaching center credit, but then more than that, I would entirely say YouTube. YouTube was like the go-to place for me. And
Which
जो भी
channel?
topics, huh?
Which channel specifically?
An
YouTube.
academy.
Unacademy. Okay.
Yeah. So Unacademy had these series which was like 5 or 6 hours long for each chapter. So if
Ah,
you,
one
so
shot.
if,
One
yeah,
shot,
one
right?
shot videos, yeah.
Yeah.
So I wasn't preparing much for advanced because I didn't have much hope of getting into like NITs or anything. But I was like, okay, fine, I'll try mains. Because being from a GCC country as well, we have other quota. So I wasn't keen on getting into engineering college, but then later on I was like, I'll just try JEE mains, and then I tried it. That's it. And then I studied for those 5 or 6 months. I studied like full on, just बैठ के पढ़ रही थी मैं, and then uh, wrote exam, and that was that. Yeah.
ओके कूल। तो बेसिकली तुमने जो बोला 6 मंथ्स तुम्हारा सबसे ज़्यादा इंटेंस स्टडी हुआ था
हाँ.
जेई से पहले।
हाँ.
ओके, और उससे पहले मतलब नॉर्मल एवरेज जैसे ही चल रहा था
हाँ,
जैसे चलता
नॉर्मल
है।
एवरेज जैसे सुबह क्लासेस होते थे, उसके बाद कोचिंग के वो ट्यूशन क्लासेस होते थे, एंड देन लेटर ऑन रात को आई हैड लाइक अ टाइम टेबल एंड स्टफ, लाइक फॉर दिस टाइम टू दिस टाइम आई विल डू स्कूल का काम या असाइनमेंट का काम, जो भी है स्कूल के लिए जो भी करना है वो करती थी। उसके बाद थोड़े like 3 या 4 घंटे I used to make time for JEE preparation. And that JEE preparation, I wouldn't say it helped me in a way, but then I wouldn't say that was the reason that I got into NIT. I wouldn't say that. It was just like ऐसे हर दिन practice question करते हो तो वैसे ही it was something like that. That's it. But then I wouldn't say that was a preparation wise वैसे चल रहा था.
इट्स लाइक दैट वाज कि तुम वो फ्लो में थे, पढ़ाई का फ्लो में थे, बट
हाँ.
इट्स नॉट लाइक कि पूरा इंटेंस था। देन मेन
पूरा
इंटेंसिटी
इंटेंस,
आया
हाँ
तुम्हारा वो
वही
6।
उतना,
हाँ,
हाँ
सिक्स
नहीं.
मंथ्स में मेन इंटेंसिटी आया।
हाँ वो इंटेंस
गॉट इट,
था.
गॉट इट। सो लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द 6 मंथ्स जो एक्चुअली में इम्पोर्टेंट था। तो तुम उस
या.
टाइम पे डेली रूटीन कैसा चलता था कि सुबह सुबह से लेकर रात तक?
Okay. Subah I used to. So I didn't have a schedule like सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठना, नहीं तो रात को बहुत जल्दी like बहुत देर के लिए बैठना and all. I didn't have that. It was like जैसे previous day, however I was, suppose if I was sleeping early I would wake up early. If I was sleeping late I would wake up late. It was just like that. And then उठती थी उसके बाद I used to study. So if I wake up at 7, I used to study till 9 9:30, have breakfast, and then come back again. 10 say I used to study till 12 12:30, bath, come back again, study till 2 2:30, study. It was like that. So those 6 months were very intense. I don't know how to describe in words, to be honest. It was that intense. Ki I used to make sure that I would complete at least one chapter of all three subjects. So basically 3 chapters in a day. So that was like the minimum quota that I had to finish. Nahi to I wouldn't have been able to finish the chapters. And it's not like I completed all the chapters before the JEE preparation as well. क्योंकि थोड़े चैप्टर्स थे जो which was not even in my vicinity, like उधर दूर पड़ा हुआ है वैसे होते थे. तो I used to not touch those much also. Like थोड़े chapters, I don't remember much chapters from JEE, but then some chapters were like that. Like especially I would say physics, a lot of them were like way too ahead of my brain. I couldn't process them much, so I used to just not. I used to be like, okay, थोड़े basics पढ़ लेती हूँ, थोड़े ऐसे होते कि ready like formula ready ones ऐसे questions होते थे, तो I used to do those. And then that was that, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा use like thought process वगैरह करना होता है कि हाँ ऐसे होता था ऐसे, that and all used to not go into my head, so I used to skip those. तो वैसे थोड़े होते थे, but then it's important to have one subject that you know that you will score well in it. For example, for that for me was chemistry, and kind of it was maths. That was it. Chemistry is the पूरी theory पढ़ो, diagram वगैरह बनाओ and all that used to actually, I used to actually understand while studying it. Maths भी was okay-ish, I would say. Physics, God no.
So you are good in rectification basically, I
Yeah,
think,
I was
right?
good at rectification. Yeah.
That's why chemistry is your one of the strongest point.
Yeah.
वाओ, कूल। ओके, तो वो जो 6 मंथ्स था उसमें तुम मोस्टली रिवाइज करते थे, राइट? तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी एक बार चैप्टर्स हो चुके थे जेई मतलब कोचिंग वगैरह में,
वो
एंड देन तुम रिवाइज करते थे।
आई वुडेंट से एक बार हो चुका था, थोड़े सब्जेक्ट्स एक बार हो चुके थे, बट देन अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ इट वाज नॉट डन, क्योंकि मैं लाइक मेरे को मेरा क्या था कि क्लास जब चल रहा था तो आई वुड लिसन, बट देन एंड देन थिंग इज ड्यूरिंग क्लास इफ आई लिसन देन इट विल स्टे इन माय हेड, क्योंकि जब आई स्टडी बेटर विद लाइक ऑडियो विजुअल वे रादर देन मी स्टडिंग ऑन माय ओन। तो जब मैं वीडियोस वगैरह देखती हूँ, नहीं तो जब क्लासेस होते हैं जब, तब अगर मैं अच्छे से सुन के लाइक अच्छे से ध्यान दे के पढ़ रही होती हूँ, तो इट विल बी लाइक इट विल स्टे इन माय हेड। और एल्स अगर मैं बुक से देख के पढ़ रही हूँ, इट डजंट वर्क मच दैट वे। तो हाँ, तो वैसा पढ़ लेती थी मैं या।
गॉट इट, इसीलिए शायद वन शॉट अच्छा काम किया मेरे साथ
हाँ,
वैसे
वन
होता था,
शॉट,
क्योंकि
हाँ वही,
हाँ तो
क्योंकि वो
उसको
पढ़ाते
नोट्स
हैं उसके
पढ़ने से
बाद।
अच्छा है।
हाँ,
हाँ हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली।
कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू
ओके, हाँ, तो वो क्या करते हैं कि वो पहले एक टॉपिक वो पढ़ाते हैं, एंड देन दे विल गिव
हाँ
लाइक 2 और 3 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम प्रीवियस ईयर्स,
हाँ।
सो इट मेक्स यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद द नोट्स दैट यू लर्नड जस्ट बिफोर, सो दैट हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट। तो वैसे पढ़ते पढ़ते एंड देन लेटर ऑन दे हैव अ सीरीज आई गेस जस्ट फॉर क्वेश्चंस ओनली, लाइक प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो भी थे, इवन इफ इट वर लाइक 4 or 5 years बिफोर, इट्स ऑल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। तो वो वैसे हेल्प कर देते। व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज आई विल सी द नोट्स का वीडियो, अगर वन शॉट डज नॉट हेल्प मी अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर कंप्लीटली, आई विल गो फॉर द और भी डिटेल्ड वाला वर्जन, एंड देन आई विल टेक ईच टॉपिक का वैसे वैसे पढ़ती थी। सो आई विल हैव अ पीस ऑफ पेपर असाइड, क्योंकि अगर एक चैप्टर में से इफ आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वन टॉपिक, आई यूज्ड टू राइट डाउन इट्स नेम, द टॉपिक का जो भी नाम था, आई यूज्ड टू राइट देम डाउन एंड आई जस्ट कीप इट देयर। एंड देन आई थिंक ओवर द वीकेंड, जब ऑब्वियसली जब स्कूल नहीं होता था, तो वीकेंड पे सैटरडे संडे को आई यूज्ड टू सिट एंड डू दोज टॉपिक्स rather than doing new chapters. So new chapters I used to keep it for the weekdays, and then the topics जो भी मेरे को समझ नहीं है, and then there were a lot of topics which I didn't understand, so it used to genuinely occupy the whole weekend. So I used to do them during the weekends. It was like that, yeah.
गॉट इट, मतलब कीप रिवाइजिंग दोस ओल्ड
हाँ,
चैप्टर जो
keep
अच्छे से समझ
revising,
में आ
yeah,
रहे।
yeah.
हाँ, गॉट इट। तो यू यूज्ड टू डू शॉर्ट नोट्स।
Short notes, yeah, because I study better with like if I write notes along with the videos, I used to like pause the video, write them down, and then I used to understand whatever I wrote. Because अगर किसी और ने मेरे notes देखे तो उनको समझ नहीं आएगा कि मैंने क्या लिखा है. तो I used to write them in a way that only I'll understand. और फिर वैसे लिखती थी, and then I used to not write the whole sentence वाला notes. I used to do the flow, like the
हाँ,
diagram वगैरह notes. I used to go better with that. तो वैसे एंड इट्स इजी, इट सेव्स टाइम्स आल्सो, पूरा सेंटेंस लिख के ऐसे ही टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करने का, तो वैसे इट हेल्प्स लाइक दैट, या।
या फॉर नोट्स आल्सो ना, बहुत लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि बहुत लोगों का नोट्स ऑनलाइन डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं। आई थिंक दैट वुड
हाँ,
नॉट वर्क गुड एक्चुअली,
that,
क्योंकि
yeah,
तुमने वो
it
बनाया नहीं ना।
because you have a
हाँ
certain way of understanding
हाँ
your own written notes,
हाँ
and I think
हाँ
writing it also imprints the notes on your brain, like it generally makes you want to, like it makes you understand कि हाँ I wrote this when I heard this, और फिर वैसे relate करते जाते हो, so I think it helps much more if you write your own notes.
okay, cool. So in terms of making short notes or notes, so you used to do it while watching the one shot or after completing the whole one shot?
I used to do it while watching the one shot. Because if I do it after the one shot, pretty sure I'll miss the half of the learning process itself. If I do it during, it's like it's not even the points that they mention on the slides. It's the points that they mention while talking. Because that genuinely makes you help understand the whole topic much more rather than reading through the slides. क्योंकि उनके पास भी slides होते हैं वो भी online वो available करते हैं. That is not the point. बट देन जब वो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, दे आर एक्सपीरियंस टीचर्स, तो जब वो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि एक एक टॉपिक का, जब वो बोलते हैं कि एक एक पॉइंट लेके वो एक्सप्लेन करने जाते हैं, तो दे हैव लाइक इट मे नॉट बी इवन सिग्निफिकेंट टू देम वाइल दे आर टॉकिंग, बट देन जब हम वो सुनते हैं और फिर उनको लाइक व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट, it makes us more sense. So yeah,
Makes
running
sense.
notes
Yeah.
kind of a thing. Yeah.
Running notes. Okay, cool. सो जेई वाला सेक्शन में लास्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे होगा कि यू सेड कि जो 6 मंथ्स था बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस पीरियड था, सो
Hmm.
व्हाट कीप्स यू मोटिवेटेड टू मेंटेन दैट इंटेंसिटी उस टाइम पे?
उस टाइम पे क्योंकि सो ओके व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, मेरा पहला चॉइस इंजीनियरिंग नहीं था. इट वाज डिज़ाइन, लाइक बैचलर ऑफ डिज़ाइन, बीडेस. तो उसके लिए आई स्पेंट बिफोर दीज 6 मंथ्स, आई स्पेंट लाइक 4 मंथ्स फॉर दैट. क्योंकि लाइक 4 मंथ्स उस पर प्रिपेयर करी थी, बट देन वो एग्जाम्स अच्छे नहीं गए थे, सो आई डेंट हैव मच होप फॉर इट. सो आई वाज लाइक engineering ही एक चॉइस है, एंड आई नीड टू गेट इनटू अ गुड कॉलेज इफ आई नीड टू गेट अ गुड जॉब एंड ऑल. वैसे वैसे जो एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस जो होता है, एक एक गोल्स होते हैं, तो आई यूज टू हैव दैट इन माई माइंड. एंड देन प्लस द फैक्ट दैट हमारे स्कूल में से ऑल्सो देयर वर कपल ऑफ सीनियर्स who got into really good colleges and they're doing really good, great jobs right now. तो आई थिंक, और दे वर रियली गुड फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइंड. तो उनसे भी मैं लाइक उनसे मैं पूछती थी कि हाउ डू यू डू दिस, हाउ डू यू डू दैट. नॉट the point isn't that you ask your seniors how you do that. No, the point is how you implement those same things into your own career path. So I think, I mean, obviously the 6 months that I did, the intense preparation that I did paid off because I got into this college. Abhi is college mein, as far as I know, my other friends who are in other NITs, इस कॉलेज में you have much more opportunities, I guess, because जब मैं इस कॉलेज की बातें करती हूँ, दे बी लाइक व्हाई इज दैट देयर, लाइक ओ यू हैव दैट, लाइक वैसे सरप्राइज होते हैं वो लोग. उनको पता भी नहीं चलता कि ओ वैसे चीज़ हो सकते हैं, बट देन they don't have that in their college, even if it's an NIT, and we have it in our college. So I mean, I'm thankful for those 6 months of intense work. Yeah, it's really
या
paid off.
दैट हार्ड वर्क पेड ऑफ यार.
Yeah.
सो जो मेन थिंग है कि तुम वो गोल को अचीव करना और टारगेट को अचीव करने के लिए वही तुम्हें
हाँ,
मोटिवेशन
यू
दिया.
नीड टू हैव द गोल इन योर माइंड. क्योंकि अगर वो for what worked for me was the fear of not getting into a good college. वो it really like impacts my mind because if I used to get like really tense if I don't get into good college, I'll not get a good job. वैसे I used to go into overthinking process. So to avoid that itself, I used to go into that intensive schedule. So I'll just sit and study whatever it is. So it was like that.
That is what also called anti visions, what you don't wanna become or what you don't
Yeah,
wanna
that's what it
get from the life.
yeah.
Yeah.
For some people it works. For
uh,
some people it's genuinely like हो जाएगा last minute, go with the flow or something. But then for me it's not like that.
yeah, yeah, of course. Okay, cool. So you said that now you got into a good college and there are a lot of benefits of that. So let's talk about NIT 3G and starting with the numbers. जो सबको ज़्यादा motivation करते हैं placement numbers and all. Starting with that, what was the average placement numbers of the whole college?
Average placement numbers, I think, I'm not sure about the numbers much, but then as far as I know only about the circuital departments. Matlab CS, EC, Triple E, and IC, instrumentation control. So these four departments have had good placements. They haven't had good. Thing is, there's an internship season. Basically, third year May you have this companies coming to your college, and they have the whole on campus hiring for interns for the next year के summer vacation के लिए internship करने के लिए. So they have this whole process. So internships के लिए companies कम आते हैं, but then for placements there are like a lot of companies that come throughout the 4th years of your college. Like a lot of companies come, and then they do take a good number of students through their online test now. So placement numbers are pretty good. Like even if you do decent also, it's fine. Like once you get, the only point is you need to get into a college such that even if you do decent work, you'll get into a good placement. It's like that is the kind of college it is. And I don't think that is the case for any other college as far as I know. But then yeah, even if you do decent work is itself, you're getting good placements, because I know people who have even if they think that their CGPA is less, they are getting good placements. So I think that is a good sign for having good placement numbers.
Any expected numbers, average and all?
In respect to I don't know the numbers much.
ओके ओके एंड एनी हाईएस्ट नंबर जो तुमने सुना होगा सीनियर्स का जो जिससे मोटिवेशन मिल जाए लोगों को?
I've heard 30 LPA. 30
हाँ हाँ.
LPA is there, and then it's not the numbers that I know much about. It's just the companies that come. They are like ऐसे how to say this, like न्यूज़ में वगैरह जो कंपनीज में सुनते हो ऐसे, लाइक दे हैव हैड लाइक गुड स्टॉक प्राइसेस, लाइक और Nvidia, Microsoft, वैसे big companies, they do come a lot. That is what I don't think numbers are the point of this, but then the fact that these companies come here even for interns rather leave placements, they come here for interns as well, and that's a bigger deal, I guess. Yeah.
Uh, any big tech companies you can imagine, almost everyone comes here.
Huh, yeah, you take any name and they will be coming to NITC, that's for sure, yeah.
Yeah, nice nice, that's good. Of course top in IT होने का फायदा.
Huh.
So okay, the placement things are sorted for the circuital branches और lower branches में तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि worth it होता है लेना और they should avoid?
I would say for the non-circuital branches, you're telling in terms of the JE
Placement.
aspirants choosing the college, or
Yeah, choosing the college in terms of placement.
okay. For non-circuital branches, I would say join if you're join non-circuital branches like mechanical, chemical, production, or civil. वैसे departments, I would say join if you're really interested in the branch that you're joining. उसके अलावा आई वुड से गो फॉर कॉलेज, बिकॉज यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं फॉर दोज कॉलेज. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स नॉट देयर, इट्स देयर. लाइक गुड कंपनीज डू कम, लाइक ITC, Unilever, they all come. But then the point is that they aren't as good as the other colleges, I would say, for non-circuital departments. I would say for why is NITT in the top 10? Because circuital branches like CS, EC, EEE, the branches that people know this college for, वो departments बहुत अच्छे करते हैं. They do exceptionally good work for those departments. And then the other departments is like you join the department if you're really that passionate about the branch that you're joining. They do have placements, sure, they have really good placements as well, but then I would say join the non-circuital departments of Trichy especially, if you're really interested in the domain that you're joining in.
Okay, so if you are not interested or if you are only for the numbers for the placement, then choose lower NITs, computer science maybe.
Yeah, I would say that, yeah.
Okay, cool. And what about the branch change system? कि people अगर lower में आ गया तो क्या they can change branches or they can't?
They can change branches. I think it's one of the rounds after on spot round where they can upgrade their branch from, like, suppose if someone can upgrade from triple E to EC in the same college. I have friends who have done that, who have got EC through that round, like when they've got an upgrade from triple E to EC, या EC to CS. वैसे हैं. That is there, yeah.
After 1 year नहीं होता है ना, after 1 year CGPA के basis में जो होता है.
No, I'm not sure about that. I don't know much about it.
कुछ कुछ कॉलेज में होता है, कुछ कुछ कॉलेज में नहीं
हाँ तो
होता है, I
होंगे.
think that is.
I'm
हाँ.
not sure if it's there here or not. I don't know.
Okay. people need to research about it.
Yeah, people will need to research about it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So placement was चीजें sorted है. Let's talk about now campus. How is the campus?
Campus is huge. First was very huge, to the point that they don't allow the bikes or scooties or cars inside for the students to drive. They only allow, because the campus is so huge and walking is like a no go option, because it's that huge. And what we do is every student has their own cycle, so we go from place to place using cycles. And they have the whole, um, suppose, okay, अब मेरे hostel से the building that I go for theory classes, it's like 2.7 kilometers away from my hostel. So every day I cycle, go and like back and forth. I cycle. It's roughly around 5.2 kilometers, something like that. I cycle every day just for classes. उसके अलावा if I have to go to the market, that's some distance. Plus if I have to go for the lab, or that's some distance. So हर दिन you will at least cycle 5 kilometers, and that this is for girls hostel. Boys hostel, it's a very different case, because some of the hostels are nearer to the theory building, or some are like very far. They need to leave hostel like 20 minutes before class starts, तभी वो पहुंचेंगे, तो वैसे and all is there. Then, yeah.
The campus is really good for cardio. रोज cardio होता है.
Yeah, that is true. People do, like, they don't need to go gym and all, just cycle every day to classes and you'll be fine.
Basically 4 साल में 10 किलो you will lose. अगर तुम
Yeah,
ज़्यादा
that
junk
is
नहीं खाते हो तो.
easily. First year itself, you will easily lose like 5. That is for sure.
Wow, that's a good college for
Yeah.
fat people. just just for joke. Yeah. Okay. So cool. तो कैंपस बहुत अच्छा है. तो कैंपस में फैसिलिटीज में क्या क्या चीज़ें, कि कितना कैंटीन्स मिलता है, कितना फूड फूड कोर्ट वगैरह मिलता है, और कितना और चीज़ें शॉप्स एंड ऑल.
Okay, so canteens, there are plenty of them, I would say. Like, suppose we have one which is right next to sports center. We have two. एक so एक छोटा सा है, it's like सस्ता सा, like छोटा सा shop is there. Other than that, it's like a bit, like if you go a bit more, there is Cafe Coffee Day. That is a genuinely like, known wala, I would say, like a place to go for inside campus. Other than that, it's like theory classes ki building ki side, like near that building, there's another shop where you can eat your, like order food, lunch and all, that is there. And then delivery services सारे हैं यहाँ पे. And then they come from the city as well. City is like, I would say, around half an hour by car from here, like far from campus. And what else facilities, like food and all, it's pretty good. Like they have like छोटे छोटे shops होते हैं, जो suppose faculty के, suppose there are quarters for the people who do sell food here. They have quarters here and all. So there are quarters for the professors and the faculty, non-teaching and teaching faculty. For both of them, there are quarters. Then there is sports center. Sports center दो हैं यहाँ पे. And there is gym facilities also, basketball court, tennis court, or yeah, that is there. Then there are two
Those are
grounds for athletics
those are
also.
pay those are paid or free, the gym and for
uh, gym
sports facilities.
is gym is paid. Yeah, gym is paid. And then sports center is free. That is completely free for all the students. Yeah, for gym there's a separate time where you need to register. You need to get a slot, for which time to which time is your slot. And people who do get a slot which is not comfortable for them, वो सारे ग्रुप में डालते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं किसी और को चाहिए ये slot, you can switch with me and all. That happens a lot. That is there every sem. And there are gym facilities. Then what else? There's a supermarket here also. It genuinely has all the products you need. और फिर यहाँ पे अगर ऑर्डर भी करें अमेजोन से, they have a place where they dump all the products, whichever are whichever the delivery address is to NIT Trichy, they just come all together. then they'll call you and they'll be like, here the package is here and all, and we'll have to go take it, something like that. It's convenient is what I'm saying. Then
But
there's the
they
hospital
doesn't
as well.
come. They don't come in the hostel actually, right?
No,
The
that
delivery
doesn't
service.
happen. No, no, because there are a lot of products that come every day. It's difficult for them to also go to every
Uh,
hostel and deliver it
makes sense.
door wise. So it's not that
Makes
practical. So
sense.
they just come to the
Uh,
market and then everyone comes to the market and takes the products. It's like that. Then there's hospital as well. Hospital is also hospital is decent. It's decent hospital. Like if your injury is much more than what they can handle, they would transfer you to the hospital in the city. So it's something like that as well. Then you have, because the cycle is the main transportation, you have cycle shops as well, which like fixes your cycles. And for the fourth years who leave their cycles after college, they have a system where they sell cycles also to the juniors who come in next year. So it's like that also. So it's pretty, like there are a lot of facilities. I mean, you name it and it's there, I would guess. So yeah.
wow, that's good. That's good. How's the hostels?
Hostels also, there are, so suppose, okay, for boys there are around 22 hostels, and
22. Wow.
yeah, there are 22, 23 hostels. I think recently Modi had come for inauguration for one of the hostels. It was like that. That's a hostel that is being built right now. And for girls, it's seven hostels, six, seven hostels, something like that. And girls' hostel, all of it is in one compound itself. Like they like side by side for all the hostels. For girls, it's like only all in one area. But then guys hostels, it's pretty spread out because it's 22 in number. It's like a lot of them. And guys hostels, they have, so basically girls have curfew on weekdays till 9:15, and weekends till 9:45. So it's like that. So we have curfew and the boys don't have curfew. From second year they don't have curfew. First years they
Achha,
have curfew. It's like that.
the curfew is for campus or the curfew is for hostel?
Hostel curfew. Campus curfew is 9. Yeah, it's the same for girls. Doesn't matter if it's hostel or campus curfew. It's the same for both same timings. And is, you can walk around inside the hostel ka area, but then you can't get out of the hostel area after 9:15 or 9:45. Depends on the days. It's like that. And then the guys don't have curfew. It's like that. So they have like small shops inside their hostel area as well. Even we do inside our hostel area, like laundry or printer shop. वैसे like basic necessities which you need for college work and all. It's there inside the hostel itself, and you have food, canteen types also. Night canteen वैसे you have inside hostels also. Yeah.
How's the food in the hostel and night canteen server?
Night canteen food, I would say it's cheap and it comes in good amount, so it's pretty good only. They are thriving in business because we can't get outside of hostel area after 9:15. So whoever doesn't eat dinner and the mess closes, so they'll obviously go for the night canteen itself. So they are doing pretty amazing in business. That's where. Then what else did you ask?
Other food quality in hostel.
Okay,
Basically,
food
you mentioned
quality,
that.
right? Night canteen is pretty fine only. It's not that bad. It's decent, is what I would say. And mess food, I would say it's okay. It's mess food. I mean, you can't expect much over there. It's just mess food. Sometimes you'll not like the food, so you will want to order, and sometimes it will be like हर दिन sweet होता है, so that is there. Sweet होता है, and then there will be something curd or something just to survive the day. There is some food, but then if you want something special for the day or something, you can order, or you can order through night canteen. Anything like that works. Yeah.
मतलब वैरायटी मिलता है बट क्वालिटी मिर्च जैसे
हाँ,
कहते हैं.
क्वालिटी इज ओके ओके, उतना बोल सकती हूँ मैं, बट देन वैरायटी तो होती है. वैरायटी अगर नहीं होती तो यू हैव मेस कमिटीज एज वेल. यू कैन गिव सजेशंस कि ऐसे मेन्यू चेंज करो, या मेन्यू में से ये हटा के ये रख दो. वैसे यू हैव मेस कमिटी मीटिंग्स एवरी मंथ एंड ऑल. उतना डेमोक्रेसी वगैरह यहाँ पे चलता है, बट देन इट्स ओके इज ऑल आई कैन से. या.
Okay. does Swiggy, Zomato come inside the campus
Yeah,
in
they
the
do come.
hostel?
Yeah, near hostel they come. We just have to like क्या होता है कि there's a campus area, and then different hostels are like in different spots inside the campus area, hostel area, sorry, hostel area itself. So उसका एक गेट होता है, तो वहाँ पे गेट के वहाँ पे if it's after curfew they come near the gate and we're supposed to go to the gate and they'll give it to us. If it's before curfew you can like अगर सपोज थोड़े डिलीवरी सर्विसेज होते हैं कि वो कैंपस कैंपस के गेट पे आते हैं, हॉस्टल के गेट पे नहीं, कैंपस के गेट पे वहाँ आते हैं, तो वहाँ तक जाना पड़ता है हमें, तो वी कांट ऑर्डर दोज आफ्टर कर्फ्यू, so we have to order those before curfew and then go outside to campus ka gate and then take it from there. थोड़े होते they'll come near the hostel gate itself, so even if you order it like 11 or 12 they'll come, so that is fine.
ओके, जोमेटो स्विगी आ जाता है नॉर्मली,
हाँ वो सारे आते हैं यहाँ पे.
कि वो इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि फूड का है,
हाँ
बट
वही
फिर भी।
वो तो वही पहले चीज तो वही देखते हैं कि जोमेटो या स्विगी या कोई स्पेसिफिक सपोज डोमिनोज या केएफसी वैसे वगैरह आते हैं कि नहीं, वो तो सारे आते हैं, दैट इज फाइन.
जैसे इन आवर कॉलेज मतलब मणिपाल में देयर वाज कि तुम गेट तक तुम्हें जाना पड़ेगा फॉर जोमेटो स्विगी आल्सो, इन बोथ इन
ओके.
डे एंड नाइट।
ओ ओके, हमारे यहाँ पे बस डोमिनोज गेट पे आते हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड कैंपस फॉर सम रीजन, आई डोंट नो. एंड जोमेटो स्विगी दे कम नियर हॉस्टल, दैट इज ऑल फाइन ओनली. या.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. So now let's talk about student environment. कि student का overall कैसा माहौल रहता है?
Okay, so being in one of the top 10 colleges,
Hmm.
people who come here to study like in circuitral departments, they are like pretty smart and like क्योंकि I got in through DASA category. So but DASA category में दो होते हैं, one is CIWG and one is non CIWG, वैसे दो categories होते हैं. So CIWG is like you will pay the same fees, but then you will have like अगर थोड़ा कम percentile भी हो जाए, you'll get into the same department and with the same fees as normal students from India. Baki non CIWG is like you'll have to pay the thrice the fees and all. That is the normal DASA category. So I got in through CIWG, and so the thing is there will be a difference of like understanding level between each student, but thing is you got into NITG because of some intelligence that you have or some
Obvious.
uh, for some study, like being studious for
हाँ.
that and all, you get in for a reason. So it's like one uh, sort of how would say one group of students who know the basics of how they got in, the JE basics, they do know their stuff well, how do I say this? Yeah,
हाँ.
something like that.
हाँ. हाँ.
So
हाँ. Good.
they're like उन्हें पढ़ के ही आए हैं, तो they you know that हाँ they have the same level as me, they know the same knowledge as me, but then थोड़े difference तो होंगे, but then they are at the same level, that is something. And यहाँ पे it's pretty cool because you get into like जब join ही करते तब you get to know about a lot of, यहाँ पे एक orientation week बोल की चीज होती है, because there'll be like 2 weeks worth of stuff which the juniors get to know about the whole college itself. Like जो भी clubs होते हैं, जो भी fests होते हैं, जो भी teams वगैरह होते हैं in which you can join in and do the work plus have fun at the same time. It's like that. So you get to know about all of this and you join teams which are a group of people who like doing the work that they're doing. सपोज हमारे कल्चरल फेस्ट की बहुत सारी टीम्स होती हैं, लाइक इवेंट्स टीम, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कमिटी, कंटेंट, पब्लिक रिलेशंस, पब्लिसिटी, वैसे बहुत सारे टीम्स होते हैं. सो इफ़ यू लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सपोज यू लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ऑडियो वीडियो सेटअप या इक्विपमेंट्स वगैरह, इफ़ यू लाइक दैट कॉन्सेप्ट यू कैन गेट इनटू एन ऑडियो विजुअल टीम ऑफ एनी ऑफ द फेस्ट. Like it's like hobbies भी होते हैं, then you can make use of it and get into any teams or clubs. So if you join the team or clubs, you get to know people who are like-minded to you. You get to know people who like the same stuff as you. So you get to talk to your teammates much more about it. So it's very, I would say it's very क्या बोलते हैं, हमारी creativity को you can like you can how do you say this? You can bloom your creativity over there. It's like that kind of communities that are set up. Or फिर जो भी club, suppose if you're into robotics, you have a robotics and machine learning club here, so you can get into that. Or you're interested in software, you can get into software clubs. You're interested in hardware, you can get into hardware clubs. So when you get into those clubs, you find people who are like-minded, and you get to learn from them as well while doing the work with them. So it's pretty good how students can use their own hobbies and whatever the interest that they have, they can use into getting into clubs and teams and join people and talk to people who know stuff the same as you or more and learn from them as well.
Okay. So basically fun का चीज़ें बहुत होता है. For getting exposure you can have a lot of things.
Yeah, that is there.
But okay, now let's talk about the academics क्योंकि fun वाला चीज़ें होता है but how much
Huh.
time you can have for those, that's the important point.
Yeah.
So what is the attendance policy? और 75%
Attendance
follow
per,
होता है
हाँ,
या क्या होता है?
75%. That is there.
हाँ,
75% is the
it's
minimum.
strict.
It is for first year पे लोग थोड़ा वो lag थोड़ा slack करते हैं, and they their attendance might go below, but then even the professors understand it because it's their first year. They will enjoy a bit more, they'll go और पूरा ऐसे ही roam karte raho and all, they'll miss classes and all. That is there. Even the professors understand it. There are some professors who don't like be like very strict and all, but most of the professors from first year, they understand the fact that they're just first year and they don't understand the whole concept of rules yet. So they'll be a bit strict in the starting, but they'll understand later on. और फिर थोड़ा कर देते, थोड़ा कंसेशन दे देते हैं कि मैं लाइक ओके नेक्स्ट टाइम डोंट रिपीट दिस एंड ऑल. But then once you get to second year, third year, and all, you need to maintain that 75% because first year सबके लिए common होता है. Like it's all subjects are common for like circuital के लिए common होते हैं, and then for non-circuital it's common like that. So every sem it changes. So it's like that. First year is common. So from second year you get into the core of your department. So once you get into the core of your department, the professors that come and teach you the subjects, they are from your department as well. So you'll have to be in contact with them, at least be in contact with your department for the next 3 years. So if you mess up anything or you have any attendance issues, तो अगले 3 साल के लिए थोड़ा सहना पड़ेगा. So instead of that, might as well maintain attendance and go along with it.
Got it. मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर थोड़ा सा चिल हो सकता है
चिल हो
academically, but
सकता है, हाँ.
second year onwards you have to go
Yeah,
to
you need to.
100%.
Because अगर तुम like record भी रखते हो कि हाँ, in this subject I missed these many classes, in this subject I missed this many classes and all, you can like get to know कि हाँ, now I cannot miss any more classes in this subject या वैसे. And then ऐसा भी होता है कि if you give on duty बोल के एक चीज़ होती है. On duty is basically if you are working for a fest, like अगर fest का time आ रहा है and the week before that you can't really go to classes because there's a lot of work left or something, you can get OD बोलते हो, so OD on duty. So you can get an on duty and then give it to the professor. Even the professor, there's a 10% concession for that. कि 65% is like max limit yeah, you can go down for. तो वैसे उतना लिमिट होता है. एंड देन ऑन ड्यूटी या मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दैट वर्क्स टिल 65%, नॉट मोर देन दैट. या.
Cool. So, curriculum wise, how tough it is to score a decent CGPA?
Curriculum, it depends for each department because CS में it's relatively, I would say relatively it's easier to maintain CGPA. EC is, I would say it's a bit tough. It's hectic plus tough. Triple E is tougher than that because it's completely electrical and electronics. At least EC में थोड़ा you have like a bit of software here and there plus electronics. So it's easier than Triple E, but then both are equally hard. It's like that. And then non-circuital departments, I would say it's easier than circuital departments, but they have their own क्या बोलते हैं, they have their own things which it's tough at. So it depends on department. So for each department there's an average CGPA that you can maintain, and if you keep above that it's perfectly fine. For suppose
What is the average?
Average for CS and EC and Triple E, I would say it's average 8. Maintain 8 and you'll be fine. It's like that. क्योंकि first
Okay.
year normally क्या होता है कि the seniors would say first year is relatively easy, so try to maintain your CGPA. बट देन जो जूनियर्स आते हैं वो बहुत चिल वगैरह कर लेते हैं, तो थोड़ा सीजीपीए थोड़ा नीचे चला जाता है फर्स्ट ईयर में ही. But then
Obviously,
after that,
obviously.
it gets into the head being like, okay, I need to maintain CGP and all. So they after that they start maintaining. So that's that. But then the easiest way to start maintaining CGP is first year May if you study and if you get a good CGPA, expectedly above 9, that is completely fine. After that, it gets easier. क्योंकि CGPA only matters in the sense like CGPA क्या होता है कि you take average above all sems. So it only matters like actually matters till fourth or fifth sem. क्योंकि उसके बाद when you take average, it only makes a slight difference to the cumulative. So the first 4 or 5 semesters, if you do really well and up to the mark in such a way that you can keep it above average, then it should be fine for you.
Okay. So basically, you need to maintain a good CGP or decent enough CGP at least. Yeah.
At least in the first 4 to 5 semesters.
Of course. So yeah, we have talked about almost everything here. So basically, United 3C is a really good college, really cool college in terms of your placement, in terms of your overall exposure, also in terms
Yeah.
of your uh, everything curriculum and all. Also, first year थोड़ा सा chill मिलता है, बाकी थोड़ा सा ठीक देखना पड़ता
हाँ.
है. Now let's end it with a hard question for you. Is जो suppose NIT 3C मिल रहा है उसको, उनको other colleges में मिल रहा होगा अच्छा level में of course.
Okay.
So for which type of students they should avoid NIT Trichy and maybe go for other colleges. So I know it's a kind of hard question, but what do you think about that? किनको avoid करना चाहिए? जो तुम कॉन्स को
I
ध्यान में रख के बोल सकते हो कॉलेज में जो कौन सा
Okay.
है.
I don't think they should avoid because of the kind of students that are here. It's more like if you're coming to NIT Trichy, join. Make sure you're joining a circuital department rather than non-circuital. That's the only advice I would say. Other than that, it's the problem. There's no problem of the students that you are with. It's just the the students are really diverse because there are a lot of number of students that are coming from all over the college, all over India, because it's one of the top 10. So because of it being a top 10, many students keep their goal. If they are not aiming for IITs, their first goal would be NIT Trichy. So it's like that. So a lot of students, they come here. So it's not the fact that there are like group of certain students that are that they are problematic or something. There's nothing like that. It's just the fact that you'll get people from all over India, like different communities. You'll find like यहाँ पे आके I got to know that there's a community called Saurashtra. I didn't know about that. Saurashtrians are basically people who are originate from Gujarat and Maharashtra, but they're then settled in Tamil Nadu. Like that kind of community, you didn't even know that they exist and you get
हाँ
to
हाँ
know them.
हाँ
So I have friends
हाँ
from
हाँ.
those like from those areas as well. So it's not the fact that there are groups of people who are problematic, it's just you get a lot of exposure. Like when once you get out of this college, the exposure, the you will know, you'll understand the kind of knowledge that you had throughout the college. You'll not understand the importance during college years. It's afterwards that you understand, being like, oh, I know this kind of things. I studied from college itself, and it wasn't even academic. That's the best part.
Okay, so basically you're talking mostly about the exposure is really awesome, but you're saying कि अगर तुम्हें lower branches मिल रहे then that's the only point जो तुम्हें
Yeah,
reconsider करना चाहिए.
that's the thing I
बाकी
would say.
everything is awesome.
Yeah.
But it's also true for IITs also. IIT में भी lower branches में I think you should reconsider for
हाँ, that's
numbers
what.
अगर तुम
It's
देखते
not
तो.
all the branches that
हाँ
okay, they'll be like IIT है तो मैं like join कर रहा
हाँ
हूँ. It's nothing like that.
हाँ
It also depends on the department that you're joining in, and if the IIT
हाँ
is known for that department, then go all in, like go join the department. But if you're going like I don't know, like अगर IIT Bombay में जा रहे हो or you're joining metallurgy, it doesn't make sense in that because metallurgy is not known that much than I don't know CS or EC or Triple E from IIT Bombay. So if you're
Hmm.
joining a college, make sure the college that you're joining in has, the department that you're joining has a good reputation in that college also. I would say that,
Yeah,
yeah.
of course. I also do think कि अगर तुम्हें लोअर आईआईटीज मिल रहा है या लोअर ब्रांचेस मिल रहा है आईटी में, देन तो मे बी एनआईटी त्रिची में भी लोग सीएस प्रेफर कर लेते हैं उस मामले
हाँ,
में
that's
वो
what
बहुत.
that is there. It doesn't need to be like okay,
Yeah.
IIT में ही जाना है. If you get a better department in a lower college, that is much better as well. Because the point is not the college that you're joining in, rather than what you're learning from the college as well.
या ऑफ कोर्स. या इसी के साथ एंड करते हैं पॉडकास्ट को. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. बहुत
Sure.
कुछ बात हो
Thank
गया
you.
यहाँ
Thank
पे.
you.